all. In today's class, we are going to discuss about a lesson that is material and things. Before going into the lesson, we are going to talk about few things. Actually, a girl called Mary was sitting in her room and she was studying. Suddenly, she heard a loud sound from the kitchen. Mary went to the kitchen and saw a cat is running away from the kitchen. Mary also saw that many objects had fallen on the floor. Some of them were broken and some of them did not break. Can you observe and say what are the materials what are the things which have broken and what are the things which did not break? If you observe carefully, pot, cup, or glass, they were broken. But if you observe steel spoons, stainless steels, they did not break. In our day to day life, we use several things for different activities. For example, now if you observe in the kitchen, we are using different things. We are using cup, we are using pot, we are using spoons. These are all things. And if you observe in the bedroom, you will be using bed, you will be using cot, you will be using chair. In hall, you will be using chairs. So we will be using different things in our day to day life. These are all things. Your pen is a thing, your book is a thing, your water bottle is a thing, your bag is a thing. So these are all things. Now, what are materials? Things are made up of different materials. If you want these things are made up of different materials. These things are made up of different materials. For example, if you take a pen, pen is a thing. If you observe, here we took a pen. Pen is a thing now. It is a thing. Then this pen is made up of, if you observe, this pen is made up of plastic. This pen is made up of plastic. So plastic is a material here. So things are made up of different material. Thing is an object and materials are which things are made. Materials are used to make different kinds of things. So I hope so you understood what are materials and what is the difference between materials and things. Things are objects and materials are used to make the things. If you see here, pen is a thing and this pen is made up of plastic. Plastic is a material. Now here you have a table here and we have to find out the material used to make different objects. Objects are nothing but things. So here we have several things which we use. Door we use, towel we use, bicycle we use, knife we use, mirror. These are all different objects or things. Now you have to say these things are made up of what materials? These things are made up of what materials? If you see, door is a thing or an object. Door is a thing. Door is made up of, if you observe in your home, door may be made up of wood, door may be made up of glass, door may be made up of metal. So these are all the materials which doors are made. If you see next thing, that is towel. Towel we will be using. It is a thing. Now you have to say what is the material required to prepare the towel. So the materials required to prepare a towel. You can prepare the towel with wool. You can prepare the towel with cotton. You can prepare the towel with silk. So these are the materials. Bicycle. Bicycle is a thing. If you observe, bicycle is made up of metal, aluminium, and rubber. Your handles are made up of rubber, your bell is made up of aluminium, wheels are made up of metals. Like that, iron. It's not metal, iron. So, it is made up of iron, it is made up of rubber, it is made up of, if you see the handles, they are made up of rubber. If you see the cycle bell, it is made up of iron. So these are the materials which are used to prepare bicycle or make bicycle. Knife is a thing. Knife we will be using in the kitchen. Now what are the materials required to prepare knife? You need steel. You need steel to prepare knife, and also you need rubber. To hold the knife we need rubber, no? If you see, observe, this is a knife, and to hold the knife you have a rubber here. So this is made up of rubber and this is made up of steel. And mirror. Mirror is made up of glass. Mirror is made up of glass. And shoes. Shoes is a thing. Shoes are made up of leather. Shoes are made up of leather. Leather is a material to prepare shoes. Shoes are made up of rubber. Okay, so shoes, different kinds of shoes are prepared with different material. Water bottle. If you observe water bottle, what are the materials used to prepare water bottle? We can use plastic to prepare the water bottle. We can use wood wood to prepare a water bottle. You can use iron or steel to prepare water bottle. You can even use copper to prepare water bottle. So these are the different materials needed to prepare the water bottle. Pot. If you observe pot you can make with clay, you can make with steel. Okay, so you can make with copper. So these are the different materials used to prepare pot is an object here. Now if you see, objects are made up of, some objects are made up of only one material. For example, mirror is made up of only glass. So some objects are made up of one material. Mirror is made up of one material, that is glass, and few objects are made up of different materials. Towel is made up of different material. It is made up of wool, it is made up of cotton, and shoes are made with different materials. Water bottle is made up of different materials. So some materials may be prepared with some objects or some things may be prepared with only one material, and some objects may require more than one material. For example, if you take knife is prepared, can be prepared with more than one material. That is, we need steel to prepare knife as well as we need rubber to prepare knife. So two materials are required to prepare the knife. So it depends upon the thing, what depends upon the thing, that what material we are using. Here if you observe, here we have different, define the objects made up of different materials. So you know, metal is a material, plastic is a material, glass is a material. So what are the different things and objects are made with these materials? Suppose metal. Metals, you can use utensils, utensils are prepared with the metals. And bangles are things only, no? Bangles are things, these are objects. So these are made up of metal. Doors also can be prepared with metal. Okay. Plastic, bags are prepared with plastic. water bottle Water bottle is prepared with plastic. Water bottle, we can prepare with the plastic material. We can prepare water bottle. You can make a pen. You can make a chair, plastic chair. And glass, if you see glass, you can make a mirror. You can make a window with the help of glass. Window you will be having, no? So we will be using glass for the window. And wood, we can prepare a table with the wood. We can prepare a door with the wood. Okay, pencil is prepared with the wood. Pencil is also a thing. Pencil is prepared with the wood. Cotton, you can prepare cloths with the cotton. Leather, shoes you can prepare. Belt you can prepare. Belts can be prepared with leather material. And cotton also. Cloths you can prepare. Even bags. Now cotton bags are very much famous, no? So bags also you can prepare with cotton. Ceramic, cups, glasses, plates, these can be prepared with the ceramics. Rock, yes, idols, statues can be prepared with the rocks. So these are the different material used to prepare different object. we see that same material can be used to make different objects. Each object is used for a special purpose. So we need to know the properties of the material as well as the properties of an object to decide which material should be used for making an object. Some materials are soft and some are hard. Similarly, some are shiny whereas some are non-shiny. So depending upon these properties, materials are used for different objects. When you observe carefully, glass is a shiny material, wood is not a shiny material. So you have to understand where we have to use these shiny materials. What things you can prepare with these shiny materials, and wood is non-shiny. So what materials we can prepare with this non-shiny materials. So this is about the difference between materials and things. In the next class we are going to discuss about next topic.